Yeah!
Welcome to a new video. Tonight's Tuesday. Tonight's Meet the Teacher night for Ayla and Aubrey. I have to work, so that's kind of a bummer. But I'm gonna show you how grown up Aubrey looks in her clothes that she picked out today. I'll show you. Wearing all grown up, styling. So I'm off to work. The wife's got the kids taking them to the back to school night. They go meet the teachers. It's a little windy, sorry for the wind. Recover with the curbs. Look at that. Look how close that is to hitting. Alright, I'm gonna show her some footage. She's supposed to take me some footage. Here it is.
Meet the teacher night. Here we go. Kinder and fourth grade. Okay, so we finished Meet the Teacher. Ayla got the same kindergarten teacher that Afton had in kindergarten. And Aubrey got a new one, a new teacher to this school. But we are heading out to get ice cream. It's so hot. We're getting ice cream.
Didn't truly shoot a vlog yesterday, so yeah. So I'll upload this one tonight to count it for as a day. The weird stuff going on around me, bunch of dead birds. Ew. But I'll do the thumbstick swap out tonight, and I'll show you that. It's the next day. I didn't really record anything last night. Wasn't in the mood for it, I guess. But I'm about to change out these thumbsticks real quick to these aluminum. Kind of hard to see. Right there. You want to help do this?
No, I want to help clean with Aubrey.
I'm having them clean my surface. So it's these right here. So I'm gonna switch to these. Come on, focus.
Whoa, those are cool.
These are aluminum.
They're cool.
They're metal.
I want to feel it.
So.
Ooh, it's so cool and metally.
Yeah, I don't know if they're. I think they're probably plastic with metal coating on it. That's what I'm thinking. I don't know. Okay, so let me get my little tripod level. Looks level. We're just gonna do this PS4 controller. Thumbsticks on this one are just now starting to wear out. I don't know why I won't focus that well today. Focus! I told it to focus right there and it's not. Anyways. Yeah. All it is some screws. You got 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. And then on the inside below the battery is 1 more screw. Real easy. I've done this 1,000 times because we break our controller thumbsticks all the time. So doom. I mean, I guess I could angle down the camera. I'm afraid it might fall though. Oh yeah, it's trying to fall. Hold on. All right, here we go. There's one. Do not lose. There's 2. It's always good to have a good tip screwdriver. Three. and 4. And now what you got to do is kind of like pops open. See that? There's like little clips in here that kind of hold it, so you just gotta kind of force it. Nope. That's the one that clips. Unclipping. And it comes apart. It has ribbon cable in there. It's real sturdy, so you don't have to worry about any of that stuff. It's really strong. So it does get lots of abuse from everybody playing with them. So just if you had a pair of tweezers or whatever, you can just grab the little ribbon cable right off. I normally just grab it in my hands, and that part comes right off. Pretty simple. Set that to the side. There's the battery that's inside of it. Some people replace these batteries with bigger batteries, but I'm not going to worry about that. I'll just disconnect the battery right here. In the newer controllers, the battery cable is actually quite a bit hard to get off. In the older PS4 controllers, it wasn't too bad. Really spraying that table in there. There it goes. Came right off. There's a screw right here. Just gonna pull that screw off. It's weird that it's a silver screw in this one. Silver. Normally it's a black one. If you've never seen the inside of a PS4 controller, that's what's rumble motors there. And since I took the screw off, there is a reset button that's right here, but it's nowadays just attached. It used to not be attached, but now it is. You just pull up, and everything's gonna like fall. Just try to keep it all together. One of the thumbsticks already popped off. It must have been loose. So I'm gonna be replacing these thumbsticks right here. They just kind of go in. So normally this stuff doesn't come off. It's really kind of weird, but just pop them off. And they have a little one way on, one way off type of thing. Full motion. Let's do number 2. She just hit my phone. Don't hit the phone, little child. Whoa. Forced on. There we go. Full motion still. Fantastic. It's really simple. It's a good time to clean. If you have any dirt or buildup on the inside. I mean, this controller right here is like 2 years old, so what came with my PS4 Pro. That was the options button and the share button. Whoops. Alright, so I got the thing back on. The little buttons falling off is kind of a nuisance, but it does happen. So just I took off that, so put this back on, clips on, find that silver screw. Where is that silver screw? There it is. Back into its slot right here. And it'll tighten pretty tight, and there we go. Voila, back on. So, let's rebuild it all the way. Let's see. Kids are fighting over spray or something. So I remember how this goes. Yeah. Battery's connected. Get this part. Attach ribbon cable. I got some tweezers, by the way. I don't know. I probably won't need it. I wanted to pick it up. Ayla, what are you spraying?
I'm spraying the coffee.
Okay.
I just want to spray the mirror, but Aubrey won't let me have it.
The difference between the new controllers and the old ones is that this is all one piece. All right here, it's all attached. In the old ones, it was two separate pieces, and it was kind of a hassle. One thing you gotta make sure is that, see that white bar thing right here? You gotta make sure that slides in to place right there. And then you click it together. All clicks are good. It looks good. Put the screws back in. Call it done. Give you a little bit more leverage because it does go up. It's a little bit taller of a stick compared to these. Yeah, I'm trying to get a better angle at that. It's a little bit taller. So it's a little bit taller. You get a little better control. A little crooked there, but silver on black I thought was going to be a cool idea. I may change out these to all silver metal. Still have a light.
What is happening?
That's cool. Alright. So I'm going to end this vlog right there so I can start a new one. We're about to go do some stuff. So please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Until the next one, bye-bye.